Frequently in the news, there are medical stories that report on some recent study that was done. The question, as you listen to this information, is whether you can trust the results and whether or not you should act upon them. And the issue is whether or not it's based on a well-done study. Some medical studies are better than others. The best study is called a prospective randomized controlled trial. Prospective means that the study is designed before anyone begins to get treated. Randomized means that people are assigned to either get an active drug or a placebo, which is an inactive drug, or some other treatment that is being tested. The information that's critical here is that by having it randomized, the information is most reliable. And then controlled means that people have to have certain characteristics in order to get in. They may have a certain age restriction. Maybe they have a certain weight restriction. Maybe they have a certain restriction on the type of disease they have. So that's important, again, to make sure that when you're comparing two different treatments, the people enrolled are relatively similar between the two types of treatments offered. Now, there are problems with a prospective randomized trial. Number one, it's very expensive, costing several hundreds of millions of dollars. Number two, it can take many years before a study is completed. And for those two reasons, prospective randomized trials are not done as often as we would like them to be done. And so the problem becomes that without having a prospective randomized trial, it is very difficult to say whether one treatment is better than another treatment. The best way to test that is in this study design. So that means the next time that you hear about some study that tells you that eating a certain food is good for you or doing some activity is bad for you, make sure you find out whether or not that information is based on a prospective randomized trial. Because if it's not, the information is far less reliable and may be inaccurate.